Hi! Sige, ako daw mag-build tapos siya yung tagalaro. Galing no? This one is Oscar the Grouch. Side. Top. And yung back. Bottom. Let's go! Open na natin. Garbage can. Card. Instruction. Build na natin. Close and open yung mouth. Body. The arms. Finish na. I-connect na natin one by one. Yung bin. Here's Oscar the Grouch with his friend Smiley. And nasa trash can siya. Cute. Ganda. Tapos pwede rin siyang maalis. Yan. Ganda. That's all. Peace. Thumbs up. Follow for more.